Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start with safety and quick access. Power the car off and open the frunk. Once done, remove the passenger side trim panel and glove box to expose the filter housing. Use a T25 and a small pry tool to release clips gently. Avoid forcing plastic. You're doing this to prevent damage and to access the housing screws. Make sure to work with a flashlight and gloves so dirt doesn't transfer into the HVAC system. Once the cover is off, unclip the retainer and pull the old filter straight out, keeping the arrow orientation in mind. This arrow indicates airflow direction. Inspect the media for leaves, dust, or moisture. These indicate leaks or cabin contamination. Vacuum inside the compartment and wipe sealing surfaces so the new filter seats cleanly. If clips or seals look worn, replace them now. You want an airtight fit to prevent unfiltered air bypassing the element. You'll place the new filter in the same orientation as removed, then reseat the cover and tighten screws snugly. Don't over-tighten. Reinstall the trim and glove box, then start the car and run climate at max fan with recirculate for about 5 minutes to confirm airflow and purge dust. If you experience reduced airflow, rattles, or whistling, stop, reopen the housing, verify filter orientation and seal integrity, and remove any loose debris.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.